in SRO 263, further simplifying the process for erstwhile PRC holders, whereby the time for issuance of these certificates was reduced from 15 days to 5 days, and it was further ordered that for holders of permanent resident certificates, no additional inquiry would be required, and that a domicile certificate would be issued simply on the strength of the availability of a PRC certificate, thereby simplifying the process further. This has considerably accelerated the process of issuance of certificates to holders of PRC, which is the erstwhile permanent resident certificate, and the administration is open to further reducing the time so that all those in need of these domicile certificates can be provided the same with the minimum possible difficulty and in the fastest possible time. We have been reviewing the process regularly. The process of issuance of certificates is picking up rapidly. Over 12.5 lakh domicile certificates have already been issued, and practically all of them have been issued to those who were erstwhile permanent residents or holders of permanent resident certificates, including, of course, Kashmiri Pandit migrants and others. The process of issuance of certificates will be further accelerated, and the issuance will be monitored to ensure that that dependency is brought to the lowest. And as I said, of the 12.5 lakh certificates issued so far, almost 99% or more than 99% have been issued to erstwhile PRC holders,